Hi there, I'm Anna McPherson.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 6 Clair Court in Taranganba.
This exceptionally built home sprawls over 2 levels and encapsulates ocean and hinterland views.
Come on in and take a look.
This generous home offers 4 bedrooms, custom study space and 3 bathrooms in total. I'm obsessed with the size of the master suite though, with generous walk-in robes. There's not much not to love about this huge open plan living and dining space. The well-appointed kitchen includes 2-pack finish, gas cooking and stone bench tops, and I'm absolutely loving the wooden floors and raked ceilings throughout.
So guys, that was 6 Clair Court in Taranganba. If you're looking for that stylish executive home, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.